If you want to check the warranty on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max, so here's how you can do that. First of all, just open Settings, then tap on General, and from here you will find the option of Apple Care and Warranty. Just tap on it, and from here you will open the warranty section on your iPhone. Now on this page under this device section, just tap on your iPhone, and from here you can check the warranty of your iPhone. Now this is the first method to check your warranty. For the second method, just go back to General. Now under General, just tap on About, and from here just tap and hold on the serial number and copy the serial number. After you copy the serial number of your iPhone, then go to your home screen and open the Safari web browser. Then in the search bar just search this, checkcoverage.apple.com. Now on this website, just tap on Enter Serial Number. Now just paste the copied serial number in this section. Then tap on Submit. Now after you do that, you will find the warranty coverage of your iPhone. As you can see, this is the purchase date of our iPhone, and the warranty of your iPhone usually lasts for 1 year. In our case, the purchase date of our iPhone is 3rd of October 2025. Then the warranty end date of our iPhone will be 3rd of October 2026. And this is how you can check the warranty on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.